Guys, welcome back. Um, this is a continuation onto the trailer that I'm in the process of building for the race car. What we have here is a 7 by 14 foot trailer. It's basically a home built trailer. I got a bunch of plans with it, but in this video we're going to focus on the axles. Unfortunately, the axles the trailer came with are these guys down here. Those use hydraulic brakes. Unfortunately, I did not have the equipment, nor I didn't have the time, nor the extra funds to cover, hydraulic brakes. And I don't feel like running them. I'd rather run electric. So I went ahead. One sec. Let's see here. So I went ahead and got some new axles. I need to find a set. Come on. This is very difficult to control. Basically backwards. Anyways, I had to pick up some electronic brakes. I bought some electronic brakes for the trailer, and unfortunately, whenever I got them, they did not fit the hubs. I'm not too sure you guys have seen that. Sorry, I'm trying to angle this thing just right. So anyways, I tried to get the electronic brakes to fit the trailer or fit the axles, and no matter what I could do, it wasn't going to work. So I had no choice but to step back a few and re-examine my process here and how I was going to do it. So I decided to go ahead and do some more research on it, look around on Facebook Marketplace, and sure enough, I happened to find these guys. These are almost basically brand new axles, the 3,500 pound axles, and they were already equipped with electronic brakes. So literally, for the price I got for them, it was a steal. But the only problem is I had to cut them in half to get them to fit. So what I've already done here is I've already measured the distance between this end to that end over there, and I don't remember the distance. I think it was like 27 inches, 28, maybe 27 and a half, something like that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is on both sides, right, as you can see, I marked it there, marked it there. I've already cleaned up the surface rust. I'm going to slide this back and forth. I got my grinder somewhere up here, ready to go, right down there. I got my grinder right there, ready to go. I'm going to slide these guys back a little bit and grind away at some of the paint here, making all nice and shiny metal. Then I'm going to get on my MIG welder and start doing tacks. Tacks the whole way across. And I'm just going to do tack it for right now. Then after I'm done, I'm going to drop the axles off completely on both sides and roll it around to where I get a better angle on it and try to do the best I can to do nice solid beads the whole way around on both sides. But obviously the reason why I'm leaving it on here to begin with is I want the axles to be leveled. The axles need to be leveled because I want the tires to basically track straight and track, leveled, of course. And that's why I've got a level. Where are you at, buddy? Right here. Sorry. Right here. Here's the level. So let's just see where we're at right now, actually. And I mean, we're basically like right on the money right there. A little bit of down on that side. No big deal. So it doesn't have to be 100%. But then again, who knows? Let's see here. There's our bubble. Now let's see where we're at here on this side. It's almost basically matching, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Very close. I just have to make sure that this axle is going to match it as well. And unfortunately, it does not. So that might have to be brought up a little bit, just like so. So like I said, so when I go ahead and leveled, it's perfectly straight across the board. So if I got to put get a jack over here, lift this guy up, keep this guy leveled, make sure that these two ends of the axles are level, then that's it. As far as the wiring goes, I'm going to end up pulling the wiring the whole way through completely and leave the wiring completely on the outside, because originally the wiring was on the inside, and it's just too much of a hassle to run the wiring the whole way through it again. So I'm just going to run it on the outside, zip tie on the backside here. Obviously the wind's going to hit on this side, so I'll put it on the backside first. And then run it on this side, and then all the way up to the side of the trailer. Sorry. All the way up to the side of the beam here, or all the way up to the front. So I have functioning brakes. So anyways, guys, that is the goal for today. And hopefully this works out as planned. As I've had too many setbacks with this trailer, and it prevented me from taking one of my cars out to Street Outlaws, the Daily Driver Shootout last year. So I'm hoping for a good year this year. And if you guys want to, obviously, comment below with your thoughts. Also, subscribe. It definitely helps me out a lot. And who knows? Maybe I'll see you guys at the track. Alright. Alright, guys. Finally got it to sit leveled. I got my welder over there ready, my MIG welder. I'm ready to start doing some tacks. And I'm hoping that ground over there is going to be good enough. Because it's kind of hard to put a clamp onto that weld. Or, sorry, not that weld, to put that bare metal. I'm hoping that it'll work. Alright. Let's see if I can position this right where you guys can see it. Alright, one thing I'm not liking, I don't have my dikes on me, so I can't really cut that off, so I'm just going to go ahead and, if it works, get it to gonna, okay, so it's just going to follow the wire a little bit. Alright, no big deal. See if this works or not. Come on, please work, please work, please work. Because I'm going to keep these welds clean. Ah. Not quite. I gotta find another spot to put it on. Maybe if I just go ahead and scratch it. Alright, well, now I'm gonna have to recheck it. And it's still leveled. Yeah, did again. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, now I got my snips on me. I've also changed the ground. I'm hoping the current's going to be good enough to pass through the stud on the thing over there. Part of me thinks this is going to work, but part of me doesn't think it's going to work, so we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. And it might help if I put my auto shade helmet on too. And I do apologize for it getting dark, guys, but this is not really going as I planned. Alright, let's see what happens. There we go. So that confirmed we got a good ground. Yes, Jeff. also gotta make sure this one's level too. Alright, now that I got the, obviously, I get the back axles, or the back axle, just tack welded for right now. Now it's nothing pretty, I could do better, but now I got to tack the front now. Just right clear. Get the front tacked, both sides, and that should be it right here at this point. That should do it for the welds right now. So, as of now, I'm going to take all this off, drop the axles, have them basically out from underneath the trailer and just start welding them. Do nice solid beats the whole way around on both sides. Get both axles done, and then do a fresh coat of paint. And that should do it for just the axles, just so I can get it off the ground, or get it off the post, and get on all four wheels. That way it looks like I'm getting something done here, because I'm tired of this trailer sitting. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there for that one. Just wanna get that on video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.